I think I love. I think I love. I think I love. चलो कुछ देर वेट कर लेते हैं लोगों का आने का। शुभ वर्मा, हेलो हेलो शुभ वर्मा। गाइस कमेंट करो कि मेरी आवाज सही से आ रही है नहीं आ रही, या थोड़ा और माइक वगैरह में कुछ दिक्कत तो नहीं है, वॉइस क्लियर है ना? हाँ, ओके, सही है। सोरिन तोकी, हाय हाय। आई एम रीडिंग योर कमेंट गाइस, यू कैन कमेंट। भाई ये क्रिप्टो मार्केट का है क्या ये? हाँ, ये क्रिप्टो मार्केट का है रात को। वाई U7 डेविल वाईटी, हाय हाय। अमर उदय, आवाज आ रही है? ओके ब्रो। गोकू, हे, सो हाउ टू ड्रॉ परफेक्ट ट्रेंड लाइन and how to use Fibonacci. Okay, let's see. चलो कोई कॉइन वगैरह देखते हैं। वैसे बीटीसी का बता देता हूँ मैं पहले कि ये बीटीसी देख रहे ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है। ब्रो, डू यू नीड थंबनेल फॉर योर लाइफ? यस, add some background music. Yes, I will add in next stream. What is the minimum trading capital to start? You can start with $80 minimum, 80 to $100. Lane update. करते हैं। I am not charging anything for this, but okay. You can contact me in the bot. You will see a bot ID in channel description. You can comment from there. So ये लीना का अपडेट देख लेते हैं। आज जो जो कॉइन डब्ल्यू के उस पे प्लेटफॉर्म पे था तो उन्होंने ट्रेड लिया होगा। आई विल शेयर थंबनेल देयर। ओके ब्रो। सो कॉइन डब्ल्यू ऐप पे मैंने लाइव स्ट्रीम किया था अभी 2-3 घंटे पहले, तो मैंने दिखाया था कि ये देखो यहाँ से हमको शॉर्ट ट्रेड लेनी है और स्पॉट एरिया भी ड्रॉ कर दिया था मैंने। जहाँ से ट्रेड लेनी है तो यहाँ से देखो ये ड्रॉप आया है। सो यहाँ पे आके रुक गया है इस स्पॉट एरिया पे। ये so it touched this point, so now it, let's see what happening. It will it give a pullback or not? English please. Okay bro, English में I will do. So let's see. First we choose some rough chart which isn't drawn yet. So correct trend line draw करने के लिए, if you want to draw a correct trend line, so you need at least trend line touch 3 point, minimum 3 point it has to be touched like this. If you are drawing a trend line, so it should be touched like this. Turbo USDT, turbo USDT like this. So it, to draw a trend line you need to minimum touch 3-4 point in this like this. It touching multiple points, so mean it is a good trend line. And like if you, I give you a example, other example. So for example, some people what will do, they will draw just like this. So take a one high from there and take one high from the current near part, so it would be wrong. It really a wrong pattern. So you need at least it to touch 3 times. For example, it's not going there, it's not going there either, so you can ignore this. But you can try like this also. See? But it not touching 2 times, it only touching 1 time here, so it will not work like this. And same goes with spot also. Like if you want to draw, don't take single support area. Like if it come 1 time, you can't take, you can take sometime. Like if you are trading for some short term, you can take. If you are trading for taking going to hold trade for long time, so you need to a better support area. If you are trading for short term future, you can take 1 or 2 support area, like it touch 1 or 2 times, so you can take like this here. Okay, so if we look into the some pattern it giving us, here. See, so you can take a trade here also. So it needs some time to consolidate. Whenever it break this support area, you can take a long trade from this point. You need to wait 2 or 3 candles for above this support area. You can take. How do you trade bro, full technical or psychology? Both bro, psychology भी और technical भी. It just depends how you are trading, what time frame you are trading. If you are trading in 5 minute, 1 minute, or 10 minute, 15 minute, then mostly you can look up for the psychology also, support and resistance area, how market is behave. If you are looking for 1 hour and 30 hour frame, then you can go for technical. So as I told, you can take a trade from here if it clear this support area, resistant area, sorry. And BTC possible move in 1 hour of time frame. BTC चेक कर लेते हैं. सो BTC मैंने अभी बताया था कि देखो ये यहाँ से ना बुलिश फ्लैग से ना ब्रेकआउट दिया है और अभी इसने रिटेस्ट वगैरह भी किया है. सो मोस्ट पॉसिबली it will stay, can retest again at this point. Let me remove this. So this point it can, BTC is in falling wedge. Okay, my technical analysis are on point, but I don't have enough portfolio. Bro, you can start minimum around $80. You can start 80 $70. You can trade in option also. You can look up to the 5 minute chart for option, and 15 minute also will work option too. So I'm like talking about the BTC. So BTC, as you can see, it already become from falling wedge. So as it already done some retesting also, now it only point remain to move upside, but it not moving. Like it going to retest again in this support area. So we can expect some momentum upside also after this retesting. And same in daily time frame BTC. Bro, look. Okay, I will look. Let's see. हाँ सेम सा है, हम दूसरा चार्ट को देखा. सेम तो नहीं कहेंगे मगर I started with $10. Now I have $25. But yesterday I had almost $40. Okay, good. Then that's a good progress then. Hmm. हाँ बन रहा है यहाँ पे but time लगेगा. It will take some time from here. So which app is better for trading? I use Binance and KuCoin, but we take long or short. Wait, let me tell you. I just look at one here. No, I just which trade we just here. So you can wait for this trade. Like it need to be breakout from this support area, resistance area. Sorry. So we can take a long trade from here above also above. Like around this point, we can take a long trade if it break out this area. So any coin which you want me to analyze, because it already 12 and ICT. What about ICT? Okay, ICT है, ICP है, ICT है. What going on in Trago? Trago. So I lost yesterday 4P. Which trade, bro? Kawa. सो कावा ये मॉर्निंग का चार्ट है जो हमने चैनल पे भेजा था. सो कावा स्टिल रिटेस्टिंग. सी आईडी प्लीज. हाँ आईडी देखते हैं. It, it should be around here. Let's remove this. So it doing retesting here. Kawa will pump after 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Why? Is there any news? It almost pumped 2%. If you are holding cover trade, so you can hold little longer also. I will give you an stop loss. So your stop loss will be 0.9947. Give me a minute, guys. I just received. Where we get news about crypto, you can search it. You can also get here also. Like, where is that option? No news. I just forget which were the option. You can search online. There are lots of websites. Okay, so I tell just the Kawa stop loss will be here 0.9947 if you are holding the trade. Let's move on to some other coin. So in around afternoon someone sent this chart, so we look it up and I also send update about this chart, and as it you can see it touch the our white line which we set as target. Now it gives some pullback from here, but most likely it won't stay here more time. It will eventually break down from here also, and then it will try one more time here. So if it break down from this point, you can take a short trade, and your target will be here, this white line, next line. 640 target complete. अच्छा, target complete हो गया. Okay, so comment down your coin which you want me to analyze. Let's see. And another, what about ICT, bro? It is ICT or ICP? Because I don't think it's there any coin ICT. I think you're talking about ICP. So let's see in what happening here. So let's, so like I just drawn it touch minimum 3 point, 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point. You can choose which point you want to touch, like you want to do from here like complete candle, or you want to do tip of the candle. It is not a compulsory that you have to draw from the tip of the candle. You can also draw from here, but it should be touch a significant uh, what we say it should be touching some way. If you are like taking the tip of the candle, it should be touch other tip of the candle also, not the full candle. Like if you are taking tip and then touching the candle also, then it should be wrong. So if you are taking the tip, then take the tip for the other candle also. So let's draw this chart. Goku bro, yes. TA for Ocean and INJ, please. Okay. So, so ING breaking down. It almost break down. But first we need a point. So like I just check in 1 hour time frame, it not touching the every point. Then I smaller down the time frame. Now it forming some pattern. If you are unable to find pattern in some specific time frame, you can change the time frame to some lower or higher point. So you will able to best look up the pattern or support area which you prefer. Okay, so like Ocean is breakdown, it break the pattern from here and done some retesting also, then it start breaking down and further going down from here, like it not stopping. We can expect from a point here, so we can expect that Ocean will continue dump till this green line around 0.4400. So it might take some pullback from here, then it will come back to this price range. So if you are taken this trade, you can hold more, or you can take some profit also here, but you can't take a new entry here. It's not good for new entry because its entry is around this point. Here is the breakdown point and retesting point, then it moving downside. It like it almost complete the half of the target. Now it moving to this point area, this one, because see, one time, two time, multiple time it stop here, this candle flip. So we can expect from here downfall, and then it will give us a pullback from there. So you can your whole Ocean trade. So let's move on to the INJ. Okay, so let's see. I think this chart I drawn in live last live stream or yesterday. So I tell that no, it not yesterday. No, it not yesterday. But I can explain what happening here. So let me explain one time. So as you can see, it formed the pattern and then it break down. Then it hold a support area multiple times. See, it holds the exact same candle, same size candle. Whenever you see this kind of thing, like the same type of candle forming in a smaller zone, then you expect that it won't ever follow going to follow pattern soon. So as it happened, it follow multiple time in wondering about same area. Then what will it do? It is breakout from this point here, then it give us an entry point also, then it boom, it goes to this area. Now what happening here, it holding this support area zone, but if you are seeing carefully, we can see a double top here like this, but we can't say it double top properly because it not holding this position for long time. As you can see here, if you are looking for a double top, means not candle will go up like this, double top like this, it show sometime, then like this. So you can consider one double top, but you can't consider it as a second one. because this just go up and down like this. Okay, so even if it not the double top, we can still use this support zone and execute our trade according to it. Like if it break down this support area, we can take a short trade from this red point entry. You can assume that red line is the entry line, and you can take a short trade from here, and your target will be, we can assume here, सुई अपडेट मोहम्मद सिराज। हाँ भाई, देखते हैं अभी सुई अपडेट। So if INJ break down from this support area, and you can get an entry point around 7.837. So there will be the target like 7.6, 7.5 and 7.3. And if you are looking for a stop loss, so I can tell the stop loss will be around the here. Why will I set here? So let's see. So as you can see, let me zoom in more. So that is the support area which we can see. See, this time candle touch here multiple time, and here also for 5 time candle touch. So if a pullback come, then it definitely going to come around this point, this green candle. So if you put your stop loss here, then it will definitely hit. We need to put our stop loss above the support area so it won't hit. So as I told, we will took upper one as a stop loss, not the below one. Okay, so let move on to the SUI, which people suggested. Okay, so SUI also break down. So so what it happened? It break down. It done some little retest, then it breaking down. Now it holding this support zone, like this area. Nine time. Okay. So if you are holding this trade, you can hold little more, and you can take profit also from this trade because it had a support. And put your trial stop loss, means like take some profit and put your stop loss above the entry price. If you are taken this trade, means your current stop loss like this here. Now you can put your stop loss to the entry point. And if you want to hold further, you can hold till this point also. गाइस, स्ट्रीम को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना, because I am doing live stream at 12 a.m. midnight. So it will giving a pullback at support zone. Okay, so any other coin you want me to analyze? Sir, I want to learn technical analysis. That's why I am doing live stream. we are going to learn here. If you can't follow the chart in our Telegram channel, let's see some other coin. So, oh, let's yeah, let's see some other coin. Okay, so this will be fine. So like this, I just drawn a trend line here, and now some people have question why I not taken trade like this, why I taken like this. So APT coin, yeah, I will do it. So let me explain this trend line. So I take a trend line from yeah. So I just told a trend line should minimum touch for better accuracy 3 point. So 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. We are neglecting this one because it fake out candle like, see, whenever we see two same color candle, two different color candle at the same position, we can assume that it has a fake out candle. So if we will ignore the fake out candle if there is only one candle in trend line is out of the trend line. If you are drawing, you can ignore. If there are 2 3 more candle like this, you have to follow, create the chart according to trend line candles. But it there is only one fake out candles, so we can going to ignore it. If there is multiple, you have to include it. If there is single, you can ignore it. Okay, so we can draw this chart multiple one more time like this from this area to this area. So both are the correct. It's not like one is wrong and another is true. Both are the true. Like, just let me explain. See what happening here. It touch one, two, three. Wait, just this 3, 4, and almost it going to break out from here. And let's delete this one. What happening here? 1 2 3, so it touched 3 and here 4 times. Now it happening, what happening, it going us break, giving us a breakout here. See, we can take both of the candle, but in this case I am taking this one. Let's draw some entry point. So we will take entry around here, but after it break out completely, like in, as I told many times in channel, we take entry at third candle. So first candle we assume as a breakout candle from the pattern. So breakout candle is not for entry. If you are taking trade for 15 minute and 30 minute chart, if you are trading in 1 minute 5 minute chart, you can assume the breakout candle as the entry candle. But in the longer time frame, you need to wait some time for candle to completely form outside the trend line. So just like it again come back to the inside the trend line. So what I'm saying that if first candle is outside the, like one half candle above the trend line, half below the trend line, so that candle will be breakout candle. Then second candle we will assume that it can be fake out candle, just like this. It break down, then what happen, it come back to the it initial point. Sir, flow coin update अभी देखते हैं भाई. So first candle is breakout candle. See, our second candle we need to wait see if it not a fake out candle. Just like here you see it break down. If you take an entry here, your stop loss definitely hit. So you need to wait for second candle. If second candle see reversal and come back to the inside the trend line or above or below, then you need to avoid this trade. Just like if this happen here, you can avoid. And if this candle, this green candle is formed outside the this trend line, this one, and there is another red candle form, you can take entry at that candle, third candle, if it outside the trend line. So it will be much safer option for you guys. So let's move some coin which is requested. Let's check. Wow, my my voice are audible, right? Guys, my voice audible? Okay, so not getting response. So let's look into the floor USDT. So yes, sir. Okay. फ्लो में थोड़ा वॉल्यूम कम है. कैंडल भी सही से फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा. Okay, so I don't think you can take any entry in flow because it's just moving in this pattern, upside and downside. You need to wait, bro, some time. You can wait for it to break down from here, but most likely it's going to move upside from this point like this, and then it can break down. Let's see AP. Okay, so what happening here? Let's check. So isogen. सर BTC प्राइस प्रेडिक्शन, हाँ अभी देखते हैं BTC. So I chosen this support area, but why? But because see, I can also take here, but I'm not taken because it only one type of candle forming here. But if you see this area, it have multiple types, multiple candles. one time, two time, three time, four time, five time it touch here. So we can assume it as a good support area. But currently what is doing, it holding here at this point. And if you we see like this area, this one. So APE holding this area. If you are taken early trade in it, long trade, so you can wait some time for further momentum. If it done retesting between this point, then you can look for a long trade also. If price go above this red line, the above one, you can assume a long trade from here. After 2 3 candle, green candle, you can take entry and your target will be the resistance, like one time and second target here. You can take to both targets. See BTC prediction we can see again. Let's see. I think so here. So I just tell in the starting of the stream that BTC breakout and it done retest also. Now it going up, and as I told it going up here, so we can assume it target around 27,500. So let's see if it touch this point or not. No, there isn't any resistance either. So we can assume that this target will be, this point line will be the target for BTC if you are taken already trade. So let's see any other point you guys want me to analyze. So BTC I tell already. Let's move to the APT. So I also have an indicator also, fade indicator. Let's check if it working fine. Okay, so search सीधा buying level, सीधा buying level check कर लेते हैं. सिर्फ बाइंग लेवल पे ही है भाई. You see this white line I already drawn. Let's see. Okay, so SIBA moving in this point area in both into both lines. So if you are looking for a long-term investment, well, I am not recommending you to long-term in SIBA because it's not a good idea because it can more break down if it unable to hold this white line, both white line, then we can expect from dump around more. So we can expect here also it like 0.00000801. So if you are looking for a spot entry, you can wait more. Yes, you can wait more. Wait more. Yeah, so wait. So if anyone have any doubt, you can ask because I'm about to end streaming now. It almost 1 hour. लॉन्ग टाइम होल्डिंग कॉइन लिस्ट. अच्छा हाँ, लॉन्ग टाइम होल्डिंग के लिए कॉइन बता देता हूँ मैं. जीएमटी देख लेते हैं इधर. जीएमटी ऑलमोस्ट बॉटम पे है एंड अगर लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए आपको करना है तो जीएमटी देख लेना. ये देखो GMT almost touched bottom. So if you are looking for an investment, it can easily give you 10x. See, in next bull run it will easily go $4. Current price is 0.26. So you can expect from a good investment in sport for long term 2-3 year. It give you easy profits. How much it done? From $4 to 0.269. If we look how much it done, so it lost. It almost dumped 92% from its price. So you can hold this coin GMT. See, it 90% down. So you can expect easily 5 to 10x easily. And one more coin I can suggest is C93, C98. So it almost the same as GMT. Sir, you have any technical analysis course? नहीं अभी तो नहीं है. No, we don't have yet. But you can learn from live stream, which we are doing. So C98 also it bottom. It completely at bottom at 19 and it went to the $6. So it also a good investment for long term. You can assume it also has 10x coin, 8 to 10x profit in 2 3 years. If we see how much it dumped around 96% around 97%, sorry. So it dumped from its initial price 97%. So we can easily assume from 8 to 10x from here in the next bull run. So you can hold it long term, 2 3 year, no problem, because it already at bottom. See, one time, two, three, four, five, 4 5 time it already touched it bottom. So yeah, let me zoom it one time to see better. See, it touched multiple time this point, means it not going break down from this point here. Furthermore, see here, one time breakdown fail again, back to this point, retest, then go up, then again come back to this price, then go up, then retest, then come back to this point, then go up, then again. Now it's staying at this line, so you can assume a good support form for the your C98 long term. Sir, how to use crypto screener in trading view? Crypto scanner screener means you want to look multiple coin. All day trading. For day trading, you can look 15-minute charts basically, minimum 5 to 15 minutes. It will be good. So if you guys, many of you guys haven't subscribed, you can subscribe there, because we already close around 650. We only have 7 subscribers left to complete. I don't think we're going to complete it today. Okay, so let's end stream today here. Before that, so no one have more question. Thank you for sharing knowledge. Thank you. So guys, good night and have a sweet dream. Let's end this stream here now.